Hey, Nick McDonald here from High Growth Coach, and today I want to talk to you about making better decisions, right, in business and also in life. Now, the quality of your life and the quality of your business, right, and your happiness depends upon the quality of your decisions, your choices. So we all have choices on what we want to eat, on how we want to look after our body, on what we want to promote in our business, on how much we want to pay our guys, on if we outsource stuff or if we keep it in-house. All of those things, right, all of it, running a business is based upon a decision. Solving a problem. You have a problem, you have to make a decision. And you're making decisions unconsciously out of habit, right, all the time with no deliberate conscious choice most of the time. So tuning in to your decision-making process and how you make decisions in your life and in your business is key. Now, decision-making, right, is all about being disciplined action. So, this is what happens. You have a problem, right, or something comes up, you make a decision. And once you make a decision, from making that decision, you decide then what action you're going to take to solve the problem. And then you get an outcome, right? So a lot of people start with this. Problem, decision, action, outcome. Problem, decision, action, outcome, right? What really you should be doing is starting with the outcome and saying, right, what is the action that I want, right? And then the action, that will then decide upon the decision on what is it you're actually going to do. What do I need to do now? So, there's two things. When we talk about making a disciplined decision, and I've been out with to a client's business today, and the few things have come up. This is why I thought it'd be interesting to share this with you. So what you've got is, and as a business owner, you've got so many things going on your plate. A lot of things happen automatically without any conscious thought. So this is why I'm talking to you, so that you tune into this. So you've got a decision. What do I want now? What is it that I want now? What do I need now? I need sales now. We're going to go hungry. I need sales, right? Should I eat the cake or not? What is it I want? So you have to make a decision. Largely, what do I want now? What do I want most? Right? That's your decision. Because from whatever you decide, right, you're going to do something differently in here. You're going to do something, right, differently. You won't do the same thing. Oh, no, right? You'll eat the cake. So you won't do the same thing. You'll do something else. Okay? So whatever you want, whatever decision you make, you've got to think about the outcome. What is the outcome? This is why goals are important. Because if you want this outcome, if that's what you want most here, if the outcome you want most, you're tuned into that, you're going to take that action because it's going to get there. So now here's the thing. People don't do what they know. They do what they believe. And we have, as humans, we have problems with discipline, right? Now, people wouldn't die of cancer from smoking. People wouldn't smoke, right? When they want a cigarette, the outcome is you're going to die of cancer. Let me tell you that. If you smoke now, you're stupid. You're stupid, right? I've lost so many friends and family members from smoking and drinking themselves to death. It is ridiculous, right? So the outcome, when I see somebody put a cigarette in their mouth, I think you're sucking in death. For me, the outcome of smoking is death. Is that the outcome I want? Or right now, do I want to look cool or solve a craving? What do I want most? What do I want most? So, if you're thinking about, what do I want from my business? I want to build a long-term sustainable business. Then your decisions, all of them, need to be based around what you want most, right? What you want most, which is your goals, right? And I talk to you all the time about goals, all the time about having a goal that's in your heart that you believe in. Because the outcome that you want, will make sure that you do the things that you want to do, right, at the point of the decision. So let's just keep this simple. I've made the decision. What I want most is I want to have health and vitality and I want to have a lot of energy. So therefore, that I'm going to look after my health. My health is my number one priority, right? So I'm going to make a decision when somebody says, "Oh, here's a juicy piece of pizza and and a donut," or go over there to the gym and make a decision to go to the gym. Are you going to get up out of bed and go running, or are you going to stay in bed and have a hot chocolate and a muffin for your breakfast? What are you going to do? What do you want now? What do you want? Nobody likes getting up and going for a run and going to the gym, right? But once you're there, you've made a decision because you want it most. So this is my challenge to you, right? Think about the outcome that you want. Think about your goals. And when you come to make a deliberate, conscious choice in your business, ask yourself the question, is this action now, is what I'm choosing to do right now going to give me the outcome that I want at the point of the decision? Because if you want to have, firm, flat abs and be able to run a mile in under 4 minutes or 4-minute mile, then the decision to not eat the cake will be an easy one. Because what you're wanting is you're making the decision for the outcome that you want, not for what you want now. Now, that does take discipline, and it does take a little bit of time to tune into that, right? But once you get into that, you'll start habitually thinking, what do I want? Is this going to help me? Is this decision I'm making now going to serve me? So you're making decisions on, you're making financial decisions, you're making decisions about marketing, you're making decisions about promoting stuff, you're making decisions on leadership decisions within your business and within your people, on how you're going to serve your customers, about the relationships you may want to get into, and all of that, right? What is it that you actually want? And work back from that. Not I'm going to what I want most, rather against what I want now, right? Don't take the easy road. And if you do what's easy, your life will be hard. But if you do what's hard, your life will be easy. Okay, we talk about this all the time. So there we go. Think about that. Get tuned in, right? Get tuned into how many decisions that you make every day are habitual and you're not making any conscious choice. And are those decisions actually serving you to get you where you need to be, to get you the outcome that you want most? Okay, and that takes discipline. So interesting concept to contemplate. Okay, get self-aware in how you're making decisions. Keep smiling, no snacking. I really hope that this helps you.